Welcome back to Health Hygiene. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing health benefits of ginger, one of the most powerful natural medicines found in your kitchen. From fighting inflammation to boosting your brain, ginger does it all, but it's important to use it wisely. Let's get started. What is ginger? Ginger is a flowering plant originally from Southeast Asia. The root, or rhizome, is the part we use. It's been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and cooking, especially in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. Top 8 health benefits of ginger. Reduces inflammation and pain. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol, which help reduce inflammation and pain. It's effective for joint pain, arthritis, and even menstrual cramps. Supports digestive health. It helps with indigestion, bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Ginger improves digestion by speeding up the emptying of the stomach. 3. Fights nausea. Ginger is a well-known remedy for nausea. It's especially useful for morning sickness, travel sickness, or post-surgery nausea. 4. Strengthens immunity. The antioxidants in ginger strengthen your immune system. It helps fight infections and protects against colds and flu. 5. Regulates blood sugar. Ginger may help regulate insulin and blood sugar levels, making it helpful for people with type 2 diabetes, but always consult your doctor first. Boosts brain function. Some studies suggest ginger can improve brain function, reduce age-related decline, and protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. 7. Aids in weight loss. Ginger helps increase metabolism and reduce hunger. It also helps burn fat by stimulating thermogenesis, your body's fat-burning process. 8. Supports heart health. Ginger reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, prevents blood clots, and supports healthy circulation, all of which are good for your heart. How to use ginger daily. Ginger is versatile and easy to add to your diet. Here are simple ways to use it every day. Ginger tea. Boil slices in water, add honey and lemon. Raw. Chew a small piece in the morning on an empty stomach. Powdered. Add to soups, curries, or smoothies. Juice or shots. Mix ginger juice with turmeric or lemon for a health shot. Ginger oil. Used for joint massage to relieve pain and stiffness. Precautions and side effects. Even though ginger is natural, it's powerful and should be used with care. Avoid excessive amounts, no more than 4 grams per day. May cause heartburn, stomach discomfort, or diarrhea in some people. Avoid if you have gallstones, bleeding disorders, taking blood thinners like aspirin or warfarin, scheduled surgery within 2 weeks, high doses during pregnancy, safe limit 1 gram daily. Tip: always talk to your doctor if you're on medication or pregnant. Pro tips for ginger use. To get the most out of ginger, use fresh ginger over supplements when possible. Combine with lemon, turmeric, or cinnamon for added benefits. Drink ginger tea in the morning to boost digestion and immunity. Final thoughts. Ginger is a small root with big benefits, from reducing pain and nausea to boosting your immunity and metabolism. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Thanks for watching Health Hygiene. Stay tuned for more natural health tips, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.